Doctors reveal the health facts you should know. You won't find the things I'm about to tell you anywhere else on the internet. You won't hear them on commercials or news shows. But there are some things that doctors just don't say to patients. There are reasons they stay silent, and they're all politically based. 1. You should check both of your hands and use the one with the higher reading when taking your blood pressure. The blood pressure value should be averaged multiple times for greater accuracy. 2. Red wine is not advised to protect the blood arteries in the heart and brain. Animal studies suggest that the organic compound resveratrol, which is found in red wine, may be good for the heart. However, the effective dose for a human is roughly 1,000 liters of wine each day. Alcohol also harms the liver and increases the risk of cancer. 3. A high-sugar diet does not cause diabetes. There are numerous causes of diabetes, including genetic and environmental variables that are not necessarily related to sugar consumption. However, a diet low in sugar and fat still reduces the risk. 4. Snoring is not related to sleep quality. Poor breathing results in the loud sound of snoring. Serious snoring is problematic since it can cause sleep apnea. If you snore frequently, you need to see a doctor. 5. The following symptoms could indicate a stroke. There is paralysis and numbness on one side of the body, divergent mouth, slurred speech, headache and dizziness, sleepiness and trouble waking up, extreme vomiting, twitching, incontinence, etc. Arrive at the hospital early for a checkup and treatment. 6. Consume calcium-rich foods. For adults, a daily calcium intake of 800 to 1,000 milligrams is advised. You don't need additional calcium supplements if you can consume 500 grams of dark green veggies daily and 300 ml of milk daily. 7. Don't damage your skin if you are burned. The proper course of action is: use tap water or cold water to flush. Do not use ice water. Take off the clothes. Soak. Keep it soaking in the cold water. Go to the hospital and cover with a fresh towel or gauze. 8. As long as the poop appears normal, having bowel motions 3 times per day or 3 times per week is okay. 9. Colonoscopies are recommended for anyone over 50. 10. Perform static squats against the wall every day to strengthen your knees. Repeat these 5 or 6 times a day for around 30 seconds. 11. For a newborn baby under 1 year old, no extra water for 6 months and no salt, because infant formula and breast milk contain all of it. 12. Babies under 1 year old should not be given honey. Clostridium botulinum, which generates the botulinum toxin, may be present in honey. Due to their immature gut flora, infants under 1 year old are more likely to experience severe symptoms after consuming honey. 13. Cancer risk is increased by obesity. Obesity has been linked to an increased risk of cancer, according to research. Fortunately, compared to other cancer-causing factors, obesity is reversible. Get more exercise and maintain a healthy weight. 14. Consuming foods like okra, green tea, or garlic won't guarantee that cancer won't develop. If eating particular foods helps prevent cancer, the hospital will likely need to become available to the market. 15. A man can have 20 good teeth at the age of 80. As long as you visit the dentist frequently and practice tooth preservation, you shouldn't feel that losing your teeth as you age is your fate. 16. Your face won't be fixed by collagen in any amount. It turns into an amino acid and doesn't just transform into collagen on your skin when you consume it. Because the skin can't absorb this macromolecule, it is ineffective when applied to the face. Eat well and avoid sleeping in late. That forms the basis of healthy skin. 17. Playing with your phone, watching TV, and reading ebooks while the lights are out might further harm your eyes. Simply go to bed when the lights have been turned off. 18. Avoid picking your ears with nails, ear scoops, matchsticks, or other thin, stick-like things. The skin of the ear canal and even the eardrum may be easily harmed by this. The reality is that you don't need a complex list of things to do in order to stay healthy. It should be simple and straightforward, and that's exactly what it is. It's not just one thing that you can do, it's the combination of things done together that will give you the best chance at staying fit. Even if there were some magic pill out there that would allow you to be the best version of yourself without changing your lifestyle, why would you want to take something when you could naturally stay healthy with relatively little effort? Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, The Good Fat, for more amazing content like this.